Now, Salim Dola, a close associate of India's most wanted Dawood Ibrahim, has been produced before a Mumbai court today. A Delhi court had earlier granted a 2-day transit remand to facilitate his transfer to Mumbai. A key figure in international drug trafficking, Salim Dola has been brought back to India following his arrest in Turkey. He is a key accused in major narcotics case being probed by the Mumbai Police Crime Branch. His run came to an end on 25th of April when he was tracked down to a hideout in Istanbul and arrested in a high-stakes joint operation by the Turkish police and intel agencies. In fact, wanted under a red notice issued by Interpol, Salim Dola had been on the radar of multiple agencies for his role in international drug trafficking. Following his arrest, he was swiftly deported to India, where he is now in the custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau. Investigators say that Dola was running a massive transnational drug empire, which is estimated to be worth around 5,000 rupee crores, with operations spanning India, the UAE and Turkey. The network allegedly included clandestine drug labs, complex supply chains and money laundering operations routed through legitimate-looking business. Our principal correspondent, Disha Yadav, has sent us this report from Mumbai.
Salim Dola, drug network operator as well as a very key and a close associate of underworld Don Dawood Ibrahim, was brought to India's financial capital city Mumbai last night, and today as we speak he is currently being produced in the court, where what we understand that NCB will seek custody to probe him further regarding his drug network, which spans not only in India but across Europe as well as Middle East. Investigators have found links as well as transactions that he operated network all over the country and even overseas as well. And NCB says that they will seek further custody to question him on the lines of his financial trails, the key associates that really have worked with him over the past decade, because remember, he's been on the run for over a decade and he ran most of his operations from Turkey in Istanbul. So all of this is something which is quite important and significant. And after NCB, other agencies like ED and Mumbai Crime Branch will also seek custody for their individual cases that have been registered against him. This is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.